Oh, getting all finished up here, edged out. Just everything squared away. All right, I'm on to the next one.
Okay, there you have it. I got the empty lot done that I was videotaping. This house, that house, I still have to pick up that trash. That house on the corner over there, and this house on the corner over here. Each of them is like a half acre, and the hardest one I think is this one, because when you get down in there, there's a whole bunch of cedars. You got to go in and weed eat around each one, you know, to make it look good. I'll see if you can see it. See the cedar trees down in there? So, but yeah, it's all done up now. Good to go. Catch you later.
All right, I'm trying to change out the idler pulley on the hydrostat. I got a ratchet strap hooked up to relieve the pressure on the spring, and then I'm going to run the bolt out. Let me get this, see if I can get this to work down. Take the pressure off so that when I'm unthreading that bolt that I don't pull the bottom threads. If you had pressure still in there, when it got to the very end, it would pull them threads and you'd have a problem. Now on that other video I showed how to split these pulleys apart and change the bearing, but I had this pulley already on the shelf, so I'm just using it in stock fashion. Okay, and then I got to try to get the belt off to put a new belt on it. Well, actually, I'm looking at the belt. The belt looks fine, so I'm just gonna run. I'm gonna run that belt. Let me get the tension off of there. Okay, so then that part's good to go. The way I did that was, as you've seen, I put the hook of the thing right there, captured by the spring, and then I put the other end of it forward to some other point that made it convenient for the ratcheting mechanism to be in place. So that part's done, and then I also got some new blades for it. So let's just throw some blades on here. Ew, it's nasty under there. I would clean that deck out, but you know, the first yard I go on that's dry, it'll be gone in 2 seconds. There's no point. No point in making a mess here in the garage. All right, so that'll get that mower ready for tomorrow. I already did the air filter and everything, so check the oil. I changed the oil actually last week too. All right, I'm gonna get on to something else. You have a good day.